Hey, today I would like to show you guys how to join an event. So here you can just log in here, and you can also sign in with LinkedIn if you want. So all you need to do to join an event is if you go here, if you have already signed up an event or been issued a ticket, you will see them show up here. So here, this is the event that I created before, and this is the event that I would like to go in right now. So if you're on a PC or an iOS device, all you need to do is just click this launch button. It will pop up a prompt, and you just hit open, and as long as you have the app installed, this should launch. So here you can select a sort of screen resolution and all that, and also you can change your input keys if you want to, and just hit play. So here it has launched, and it logged me in right away, so it's a single sign-on experience. Here I'm just going to select an avatar, so I select this guy. And next, because you're launching from the web portal, it will also directly right away to this event itself, instead of showing you a whole bunch of list of events. However, if you just log in directly from the app, you will see a list of events, and you just need to click on it. So now the event has been loaded. There's a quick instruction there, and I don't know if you saw that. So the sponsor logos were loaded in at runtime as well. So let's walk through this event. So as you can see, it's all in 3D here. By default, you would hold down the right mouse button to rotate your view, and you can use the arrow key on your keyboard or WASD to move left and right, forward and back, and I'll just show you here. So as you walk in here, you would meet other fellow attendees, just like an avatar, like the one I selected earlier. However, currently in this demo, I don't believe there are too many other attendees here. So here you can see this is the premium screen for our sponsors. So in this case, it's showcasing a video about this expo itself, and as you coming closer to this, you would be able to hear the video on it. Oh, look, who is here. So this is another myself actually. It's a client that I started on iOS device, an iPhone actually, and so I can click to view his info. Of course, this is my own profile, and then you can also choose to save contact, for example. And in my case, I already saved this contact before. However, if you're new, this will be saved, and then you can use it to follow up after the event. So let me just close that. So let's do a bit more walk around in this app. So here you can see a sponsor booth. As you go closer, the description and the photo would come into view, and you can continue to walk the trade show floor. The idea is that there will be people standing at each booth, and then you can ask questions as you come by. You can also click this contact button, and once you click it, you will save the contact, and the sponsor will also be notified that you're interested to learn more, and so they might reach out to you. There's another premium video screen. So let's walk on to the stage. So on this stage, there are quite a few things. One is there is this interactive car model that you can just play around with, see a hologram information display. And you can also change the car color if you want. Voila. Over here, there's a 3D product turntable. It has a few other options. So first of all, you can turn on the light. and you can start a turntable in the middle of it. Let's try to load another model. So it takes a couple seconds, and here you go. It's been loaded. So this is, I believe, the Tesla Cybertruck model. So as you can see, it's a very powerful. If you wanted to, you can even hold it up and move it closer. Okay, I just stop the turning. Let me turn off the music for a second. And if you are the event organizer, you also have the option to display a giant screen in case you have something that you want to have some information that you really want to share with the attendees at real time. This screen can be used for that purpose. For now, I just turn it off. And let's walk over here. So there is also a stage mic that's on the stage. What is this for, you might ask? So in a sense, really to mimic reality, we would like not just people who have superpowers, like privileges, like speakers and organizers, to be able to speak loudly to everyone else, but also any attendees who wants to come up to stage and ask a question. They can stand near this stage mic, and other people would be able to hear them and their questions or comments. Let me walk over here. So as you can see, there are 4 glass towers located in the conference center, and what these are, essentially they are a private meeting room. So as soon as I take the elevator upstairs, I would be able to have a private conversation with someone else, such as this avatar over here. Okay, and so once you're inside, I'm not sure if you can notice, but it's much quieter in here. And because we have this soundproof glass, there you go. And you also get your own private screen share if you need to share your screen. I'll just demonstrate here. So as you can see there, it is sharing my entire screen at real time with your private audience in this glass tower, and other people won't be able to see this from the outside. Last feature I want to show you, we also have some 3D drawing features. So over here, I'll just do something quick, like a whale. I don't think I'm very good at drawing this, but you get the idea. It's all in 3D, and of course I can erase if I didn't do it very well, or change the color if I wanted to. Okay, that is about it. Thank you guys for watching.